Guys, welcome to Hawaii Live broadcast. I'm Alex.
Yes, I'm Harry. Yes, so see you again, right?
Yes.
So it's a long time no see for you guys. I'm very excited today to have a live show today, right?
Yes.
And so today is also, and this month is also very special for our Hawaii company group, right?
I think it's special for this industry, right?
Yes.
Not only for Hawaii.
Yes, it's a very, I think September is very special month. Maybe some supplier, maybe some wholesaler, they need to buy some lamps for their future months to sell in the goods, right?
Yes, before Christmas orders, you should plan this order by now.
Yes, and also, and as you know that, as in Chinese, we have a Mid-Autumn Festival, right?
Yes.
And also in the next month, in the next
October,
week,
yes.
in the next week is the Mid-Autumn Festival. We will take a few days off. Yes, and also in the national, we have on
National
October.
Day.
Yes, we have national days. We will also take a few days off. So maybe there is a limited time for our to work, right?
Yes.
So it's also production time is very limited. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. And also this is very special for this, right? And also for our Hawaii lighting good, and for we have a go a long way.
Yes.
And until now this month is our 35 years development days, right?
It is true.
Yes, it's very special, and until now our Hawaii lighting has become bigger and bigger, right?
Yes.
And until now Hawaii lighting, we have a different workshop here, and no matter except for doing all the long way, we still doing the lighting business. Yeah.
Yes.
Because we all want to. We have slogan is the better life,
Healthy life.
healthy life for the better life, right?
Yes.
So this is what we pursue for this slogan. Right?
Yes.
We pursue this slogan for a long time, for this 35 years. So I think this is why we get a good feedback from our clients, because for this slogan we always try our best to provide a good product for our clients.
Yes.
So this is why we can last long for 35 years. So and until now we have 200 workers. It's very we have grown bigger and bigger. Yes.
Yes, as you can see here now is the industrial job belong to the Hawaii group.
Yes.
It is what we are working right now, right?
Yeah.
Because this industry do include 2,000 workers, and also we also own another properties like Hawaii Plazas,
Hawaii
or
Plaza.
Star Airlines,
Yes.
such as.
Hawaii Plaza actually is a lighting complex.
Yes.
Yeah, there is a lot of lighting store in there. Lighting store, a lot of lighting manufacturer. We combine all the lighting store together because we also want to provide a better life, except for our Hawaii lighting. We also want to bring the Chinese good lighting supplier to all around the world. Right?
Yes, so designers and customers can choose any light in Hawaii Plaza,
yes,
right?
you can enjoy the one-stop service on the Hawaii Lighting Plaza. So this is why Hawaii Lighting can last for 35 years long in this day. Yeah.
Yes, now we are leading lighting companies in China's lighting industry.
Yes, so we all know that it's not easy for this long day. So, in this very special period, I think we want to bring you also a very special item for you, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So today the main product we are going to introduce to you is the panel lamp here.
Yes.
Right? So this panel lamp is actually for this style is very simple, right?
Yes.
But it also we call it is a chip-proof panel light, right?
Yes.
Maybe some panel light they only can use in the indoor environment.
Yes,
right?
IP rating, most of them are IP20.
Yes, IP20. But this lamp, the IP rating can reach up to the IP54. Yes, so it can use in outdoor environments as well. Okay, so for this series, as you can see, it's very simple. Maybe at your first sight, maybe you think it's very normal. I can find from other suppliers.
Any other suppliers have this kind of panel lines.
Yeah, maybe I think you are wrong because this panel lamp have a lot of very special design point.
Yes.
In the following, we will introduce for you in some detail point. Okay. So as for this panel line, Alex, actually we have a different voltage. Right?
Yes, 4 voltage.
Yeah, totally. We have 12 voltage and 18 voltage
and 24
voltage. Yeah, and here is a sample in here. As you can see, this is the
small one.
Yeah, this is smaller one. And for this different voltage, we have a different diameter, different dimension, right? Because we all know that the different cell length need a different size and different voltage, right?
For example, for 12 watt, the diameter which is 25 centimeters and height is 6.5 centimeters.
Yes.
And for big one which is 18 watt, so the diameter is 32 centimeters. And for biggest one which is 24 watt, and the diameter is 37 centimeters.
Yes, so for the bigger voltage, for the larger voltage, we have a larger size, right?
Yes.
So different size, I think it can use in different application, no matter in your home, right? In your bedroom, it's very suitable product for you because we have a low voltage from the 12 voltage. I think it maybe is just like a spotlight, right? The luminance that it can 12 voltage. But also we have 24 voltage. If you have a higher ceiling, maybe you can use a larger voltage, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And also, as mentioned before, this item is IP54. Yes. So this is the competitive point of this product, right? And for the color temperature, we also have the 3000 K and 4000 K and from the warm color to the cold color, right? So this is the normal this is color temperature, okay?
But I think the most popular color temperature will be warm white, which is 3000 K, right?
Yes, I think because in this day maybe some younger buyer they prefer to create a warm environment, warm atmosphere in their home, right?
Yes.
So no matter from the interior design or the other thing, they also want to create the warm environment when they come to home, right?
Yes.
So 3000 K, that's why so very popular in this lighting, right?
Yes.
So many younger buyer they will try to choose the 3000 K, right? Okay. So for this item, actually it can use in different applications because maybe some normal panel lamp they can use in the indoor environment, right?
This one can be used in outdoor like canopy or country yard or some like for kitchens or bathroom, which is as we can know that we use the water all the time. So these items with IP45, so IP54, so it can be used in some humid areas.
Yes, because it has the great waterproof performance. So it also can use in kitchen, as you mentioned before, right? You also can use in kitchen because some in the kitchen maybe there is some moist, right? Some water will be get to the lamp, but this lamp we also can use in kitchen, and also we have used in the canopy is in the courtyard here, in outdoor environment also as well. Yeah, maybe in the rainy day, maybe there you are concerned. If I put the panel lamp here, maybe the rain can be, the water can be get into the lamp, right? Maybe some client concerned about it, but this panel lamp it can be avoid for this concerning point.
Yes, as we know, some light which meet to the IP54, which also can use in outdoor. So this one used in country yard. So which is that's no problems for it.
Yes, there's the most important point is that it's a different shape from our panel lamp with the other panel lamp, right?
Yes.
So this is one different point. And the other different point is that we have a frame here, as you can see here on the left side here, yeah. And there is a different frame from the white and also have black, right? And the other color. And the other color you can put the frame around here. Yeah, this is a white frame, right?
Yes. So with the white frame, you look like just one pieces, but with the other color like dark or gray, will add another special features for these items.
Yes.
So which can fit to different kind of different kind of the decorations of your home.
Yes, it can maybe some interior design. They have a different preference, right?
Yes.
Maybe some they want to just as this bedroom. Maybe they want to their ceiling is the white and they want to add a special. They want to make their frame the housing with some black. So you can put the black frame, the black housing to around this panel lamp, right? And also maybe some housing they are wallpaper maybe with a different color, so they want to increase some different color on the ceiling. So it is also an option for them. If you want to, some there is a different color, some gray color, and some this is amber, right? Maybe it's marble, right? It's marble color.
And all this kind of color is customized, right?
Yeah,
like
it can be customized.
If my client they need a red or any other gold color, so also can make, right?
Yeah, sure. It can be customized if you this point is also I think for some wholesaler, if you are distributor in your country, and for this lamp, actually, to be honest, if you just buy one lamp and you can buy some frame installed, right? And instead of buy the whole lamp, and you also can choose, you can provide your client with different option. Yeah, you do not need to buy too many
pictures.
Yes, too many stock here. Yeah.
Yes, which will reduce the cost for stock and help you lower your the money abundance from the financial. Right?
Yes, we all know that the cash flow is very important for some distributor. So here you just need to buy 100 piece this panel lamp, and you can buy the 200 frame. It can provide the option for your client to choose to test the market, which is the popular item, which is the popular color, and then you can know the market, your client preference, and in the future you can know you can take a right order, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the why we have the update version. Previously we did not have the different color frame. Yeah. So we do not except for considering the to match the interior design. We also consider it because some wholesaler they need to make a stock. So this is a very good point, right? Yes. So this is a very good point for some wholesaler. You need to consider it. And okay, so actually this product is very great. We have a different detail we want to illustrate it, right? We are going to introduce the housing for you because this product actually is very great. I think, it's very suitable for as you can see here, the housing is very great, and here the housing is very perfect, right?
Yes.
Yeah, as you can see here, we use the material of this housing is plastic.
Yes.
Yeah.
But that doesn't mean plastic is cheap or a lower quantity materials for the scene light. Actually, this plastic material we use, which is pretty high quality.
Yeah, sure. Because we have the high standard. We consider a lot for this plastic. For this plastic, we all know that the panel lamp, even though it is made of plastic, actually this plastic have a different advantage. As you can see here, the working temperature of this temperature can be worked under the 20 degree. Yeah, under 20 degree. It can also use in the 65 degree.
Yes.
Yeah, it can be up to the 60 degrees. Very hot environment is also available to use this lamp. Yeah.
Yes.
So the temperature, the high temperature resistant performance is very great.
Yes,
Yeah.
no matter you lived in Russia, which is cold area,
Yes,
or
that's
you
right.
are lived in the Africa, so
Yeah.
which is pretty temperature is pretty high, so you also can use this kind of light to meet different kind of environment.
Yeah, maybe we all know that some African country their environment is very extremely very hot, right? It's very extremely very the temperature can be reach up to maybe 40 degree, right? In some days.
Yes.
So this lamp you also can use in the outdoor environment because it has the high temperature performance is very great, and the working hour can be worked in the 65 degree.
Yes.
So this product is very great, and also this material it can pass the V0 test.
Yes.
Yeah. Do you know what's the V0 test, Alex?
Well, actually, it's a test for the fire resistance,
Yeah.
which one way, because you know which is plastic. As we all know, the plastic is easy to be fired.
Yeah.
But this material we use, which will be when you light on with the like a lighter to light on this plastic, but it will not be fired.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
just be off like in few seconds.
Yes. So this is in a word actually the frame of when we build this whole lamp. In some day, in some occasion, maybe they are burned, maybe they are in a fire occasion, right? But this lamp will not burn after 50 seconds.
Yes.
This is a V0 test standard.
Yes.
Yeah. V0 test standard, it means that your material will not burn, even though the sun will not
Fire
have burn,
occasion,
yes.
right?
In the fire occasion, it will not long last 50 seconds.
Yes.
So this is V0 test. It's very safety material because we use this to make sure this item is not easy, even though in some fire occasion, right? So this is also this is very safety material for us when we consider it. And also for this, as you can see here, this lamp it has a very tiny structure. Yeah. So it can be reached up to IP54. Yeah, it can use in the humidity environment.
Yes.
Yeah. So it can have a great, as you can see here, we have a test report here. Yeah, we have test for this material. Yeah, each time we have buy some plastic from our supplier, we need our supplier to provide us this test
report for
Yeah.
raw materials.
Yeah, for the raw material, we need to make sure each raw material, every part of a raw material can match our standard.
Yes.
Because we no matter from the safety factor or from some electrical factor, we also need them to provide a test report. As you,
Back
yeah,
with the material.
yeah, our plastic is very strong, as you can see here. Yeah, from the back part, as it's very great, it's very strong, so it's not easy to get cracked. Maybe in some occasion, maybe in some outdoor environment, if you stay a long time under the sun, right?
Yes.
The sun, maybe they will become. It's just
Easy
like,
to broken.
Yeah,
Yes.
easy to broken. It's like crispy. Will be get crispy.
Yes.
So it's easy maybe when you want to turn the light source to change the light source. Maybe if you want to put down, and then it has broken, right?
Yes.
So all the lamp because we have we have strict standard which make sure each material with a strong performance, right?
To meet our requirement.
Yeah. So do not need to consider concern about this point. Maybe some other lamp maybe they will turn yellow. They will because turn yellow. It's fine, but if the housing turn yellow, it will affect the lighting performance, right? Because we all know that for a long time, if you are 2000K, if for a long time maybe you will get warmer and warmer, turn yellow to yellow. Yeah. The lighting effect is not good for your eyes, right?
And with this kind of material, first you buy a light with 3000K, but after 1 year or 2 years you'll get like 2005Ks, which
so it may be finally you will get a very warm light. It will make you uncomfortable, right? When you're in the ceiling in your bedroom, if the lighting effect is very make you uncomfortable, you do not can get a good sleep on your bedroom.
It also affects the lighting output. For example, for this one, if we can make it in like 100 lumens per watt at the first time, but after 2 years, it may be mainly like 90 lumens per watt. But for some items in the market, they might be tend to like 60 or 50 lumens per watt. So which with the bad materials. So with this kind of material, so we can guarantee that the high lumen output by the light going.
So because we use high quality LED strip to make sure the lumens can be reached up to the 80 lumens.
It's not only about LED, also about the diffuser. Right?
Yes, it's also about the diffuser here. Okay, so as you can see here below here, as the housing or the lamp body here, as we mentioned before, we use the high quality plastic. Actually, there is another. As you can see, this housing white is very perfect.
Yes,
it can match together. It can,
perfectly.
We do not. Maybe some panel lamp that means there is some gap here.
Yes, you can see the gap, which is some part is wide, some part is narrow. It's not unique, but with our products, all gaps which can be seen, right?
Yes. So as you can see, all the housing is very perfect, right? On the picture here, as I show here, all the part is matched all together. There is no gap here, and it's very perfect housing. All the lamp body is very smooth, right?
Yes. So Harry, our clients will be curious about how we achieve the effect like this.
Yes. Actually there is a very special technology. This technology is rotational molding process. Because we all know that make a plastic. We use plastic to make some shape. We always use some mold to make some shape, right? It's just like this round shape here. We will use in the market. There is the common way we use. Maybe we will inject the plastic material to the mold, and then the mold will create some shape, and then you get it out. So this is how to make this diffusion. But for our company, we use the rotational plastic molding way to make this housing. So rotational plastic process. The different point is that we will rotate the mold when we inject plastic material in it. Because in the market, the normal way is just inject plastic material in the mold. But our technology, our process will add a rotate the mold to make sure each part the plastic material is very even. Each part they have the amount of the material is very even, is the same. So it will make sure the whole lamp, all the parts, the material is the same.
Even,
it's even. So this is why we can make this all the parts can match together, and it's very smooth and it's very
no any gaps.
It's such round like this. This is why we make this very special, because we use the molding, we use the rotational molding process to make this ISO.
Yes, as you can see that for this lab we have 3 parts, which part is plastic base, and as you can see we mentioned this one with a plastic frame ring, and also the plastic diffusers to get uniform lighting. And with these 3 parts, mostly for other suppliers, they can make each part to match each other perfect, but we get it. So as you can see, there's no any gap in this part, both in rings and the base and the diffusers. They just they come out with one piece.
Yes, just like come out with in one piece. All the parts and they can tightly seal together. They seal together. So this is why we can reach the chip-proof performance here, as you can see on the picture and on our screen. This pen lamp we can we have a great dust-proof performance, and also we have a great performance on the waterproof performance as well. And dust-proof performance as well. Because we have tightly sealed together, the water is not easy to go into the lamp, the light source. And also another point is in some country, in some area, maybe there are a lot of maybe some insects, some mosquitoes, right? So maybe if you use for a long time, some mosquito will go inside to the lamp light source. So they will hide the lights to affect the lighting effect.
You will see some shadows at the bottom of the diffuser. You will see some mosquitoes or insect dying in light.
So they will get darker and darker if you use it for a long time, right? Because there is a lot of shadow, because some insects, some mosquito go inside and die, the body has died on there. So this is I think if you use for a long time, it's not good for your experience, right? So it also have a great effect on the lighting effect. Okay, so but this lamp we are still all the parts together. Mosquito will not go get inside. So it also can prevent the mosquito from our lamp inner part. So this is why this product is very hot sell in our Alibaba store. So because it has no matter it has a great dust-proof performance and waterproof performance. It also can prevent the mosquito.
That's what we call it trade-approved, right?
So as you can see, there is very great. I think a lot of detail have shown that this item is very. We have considered a lot in the detail design. From the housing, from the material, it's very great, right? If you want it, you can contact us, right?
For now we have done an introduction about the housing for these items, but we all know that the most key factors for the lighting fixture is about light. So next we are going to introduce the light part about these items, right?
Maybe also some client also want to know more about what kind of LED strip we use here. And as you can see, there is a bone picture here. We have shown a different part of our lamp body here, from the frame and from the diffuser, also from the driver, from the PCB board, light source. And here, as you mentioned before, the most important point is the lighting, right? Is for the whole lamp actually, the LED strip is very important. I think it's very important. And for this lamp we use the high quality LED strip. Because and this LED strip we choose the LED strip with the LM80 port. So this can be reached up to the 100 lumen per wattage, right? And the whole lamp it can be reached up to 80 lumen per wattage. And also we have put a lot of LED strip on the PCB board. Maybe some client, maybe some other supplier, they just they just put a few LED strip on the PCB board. But as you can see, there is one of the picture of our PCB board here. You can see there is the LED strip is. There is a lot of LED strip.
Yes, and it covered with the plastic lens, which will offer unit even light output for the fixtures.
Yes, because we also, as you mentioned before, we had used this optical lamps. This optical lamps. The function of this optical lamp is to make sure the lighting output can be more even. Is more even when with the whole diffuser. You can see the lighting is very comfortable. You can feel very comfortable. So this is the optical lamps function.
Yes, you will not see any light dot from the after diffuser, right?
Yes. So this is the PCB board here. PCB board here. In some detail, as you can see, we use this PCB board and with the heat diffusion, dissipation performance is also very great, right?
Yes.
Because we all know that some clients they also want to use for a long time, right? So the heat dissipation is very important. So there is a lot of the LED strip. Maybe for sure there are maybe a lot very hot, very used for a long time, right? If you use in your home for 8 hours, maybe if you last in your weekday you use for a long hour, your lamp will get very hot, right?
Yes.
You will get hot. So how to cool down the PCB board? As you can see, there is our PCB board is made of aluminum.
Yes.
This aluminum has a great heat dissipation performance.
Yes.
So the heat will be easy to dissipate away, and it's easy to cool down. So it will not do harm to the LED strip.
Yes, as we all know that aluminum, which is best material for the heat dissipations. So which to guarantee a long lifespan for the LED strips.
So to some extent, this PCB board it can be extend the lifespan of our lamp, right? Okay, as you can see here, next part here, we also have a different material from the housing, also from the driver, right?
Yes.
And the next part here, we use here, as you can see, as we mentioned before, we have mentioned we have a 3000K from warm color to cold color, right? Actually, this lamp we can put these 3 colors together. So we can put the warm color, we can put the warm color, the cold color from the 3000K to the 6000K. It can be made a whole lamp with a changeable function.
Yes, so which is CCT changeable, right? You can get any color temperatures you want. If you need like warm white color, you turn it on, which is more white. Turn it off, then turn it on again, which will be the 6000K, which is cold white.
So the color can be changeable, right?
Yes.
Okay, so and also as you can see, the lamp, the LED strip for the CCT changeable version here, panel lamp. As you can see, we put all different LED strip together and to make sure the lighting effect is even, right?
Yes.
And also for the driver here is maybe it's very small, right? But this driver is also very with a good quality, right?
Yes, we use a driver that passed the LVD and the EMC test, which is the necessary test for the CE part for the European market. So
this driver is a CE certified, right? Because it can pass the EMC and the LVD, LVD test. So this LED driver is very stable. I think it's very stable, and also it can support the CCT changeable function. So this LED driver, even though it's very small, but it have a very strong function, right? Yes, this LED driver is very great, I think, and it's also developed by our own engineer, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is very special point for this lamp. So you do not need to concern about some some client they will deserve whether you have some reports, right? Maybe some in some European country they need to get the CE report.
Yes.
Yeah. But this driver, as you can see from the LED part, LED chip part, and the LED driver, all parts can get the CE report, right?
And for same purpose as the different colors ring, so as you can see that we can make in CCD changeable. We know that some wholesalers they need to prepare stock like for 3,000K, and for others they need to 6,000K. So
right.
with this light, you can only put one light with different color temperatures, which will lower your stock, and also which will release your financial situation of the company.
So this is also good for this point. Yes, as you mentioned, these three different color temperature. It can be good for some distributors, maybe some wholesaler. It can be lower their cost burden, right?
Yes.
Their cash flow burden. You do not need to get too much stock.
Yes.
Yeah, you just need to put one color, put one store, put one lamp with different color. You can get three lamp actually, right?
Yes.
Okay.
After all this, because when we design items, we are not only care about the function of the lighting fixtures, we also care about the need of the clients.
Yes. So we have considered a lot of our. So I very appreciate our design.
Yes.
This product is very great. I think is no matter from the client need or some market needs how to sell this. They are seeing a lot for this actually, and there is a sample. I think we can turn it off to show to our client.
Yes.
Okay. So here we have prepared this sample here. Yeah. And as you can see here, this lamp it can be pendant. Yeah. And also we want to show you the lighting effect here. Yeah.
Yes. As you can see here, there's no any light dot on the diffuser, so which the light output is so uniform.
Yeah, it's very soft, right?
Yes.
This is one color when you put on your bedroom. I think it can make you you can feel warm at your home.
Yes.
And it will get you to get a good sleep when you use in the bedroom, right?
Yes.
So this whole lamp I think is very great. Yeah. As you can see here, it's very great. No matter from each side you see. The lighting effect is very even, right? It's very great, I think.
Yes, even with these light color rings, we also make the light output almost the same as these two parts.
Yeah, so it's the same. And we also want to tell you another point is that for this lamp, actually it have a two-way to install it. Right?
Yes, as we all know that all in the market, all these kind of panel light, ceiling light, they only can be used as a ceiling light.
Yes, only can install on the ceiling, right?
Yes, but with these items, we design for two multi-way, which is ceiling way and as a normal ceiling light, and another way, as you can see here, we use a special part to make it like a pendant light.
Yeah. So for the surface multi-lamp, surface multi-rate, actually it's very easy. As you can see, this ray is a pendant ray.
Yes.
With a lamp short here, as you can see here, we can switch off this lamp holder. Yeah. We can switch off the lamp holder, and there is a lamp holder here, right?
Yes.
And we just need to make it out, yeah. And there is a different part here, yeah. Different part you can push it, right? this part.
With screw fixed
Yeah.
in this part. As you can see, we use the E27 lamp holder in here, fixed on the ceiling. So you can get light with the E27 lamp holder. So you only need to prepare a lamp holder with E27. So you can just screw it in to get a panel light effect. But if you want it as a ceiling, you can take, as you can see here, we have 2 screws to fix the lamp holders back of the ceiling plate. So when you lose the screws, so you can take out the lamp holder to you can plug into the ceiling with the ceiling plate. Then you will get a ceiling mounting.
Yes, as the pictures show here, as you can see, we will remove this lamp holder out, and we just put this part on the ceiling here, right? There is 2 screws. You can fix on the ceiling, right?
Yes.
Directly fix on the ceiling here. There is as you can see here, there is a screw here. We loose out and we put this lamp short out, and there is the 2 wire, right?
Yes, 2 wire to connect.
Yeah, to connect to the power. And so when we fix this base on the ceiling, and then we just need to, as you can see here, the structure is very simple. Yeah?
Yes.
There is only 2
connectors.
connectors. Yeah, you just need to put
Plug
this,
in the ceiling to the
as you can see, there is a hole here. There's 2 holes. We just need to slide, easily slide into match this connected together. So the ceiling you can match it to hold on.
So now it's connected.
Yeah. So this is surface mounted install ring. And we have talked before, we also have this handle rate, right?
Yes.
So it's also very easy to install. You just need to put this lamp holder on here, and you just buy one more this layer.
Yes.
With
The canopy with wire and the lamp holder.
Yeah. And also this version, it can be the layer
adjustable.
wire. Yeah, it can be adjustable. Right?
Yes. This way you can just loose these screws, so then it's easy to be adjustable. When you need the length of your need, so you need to screw up it just
to
like
fix
stable.
Right?
Yes.
It's very stable here. And for the lamps, this lamp base is the E27. Right?
Yes.
Maybe some client in some American country, they need the E26 light source. You can change this light source, and or maybe you can tell us, we will change this light lamp base for you, and we also can provide you this lamp holder.
Yes.
Yeah, to change it in your country standard. So this 2-way it can be, no matter you want to hang in your maybe you are a coffee store owner, you can use in your coffee store, right? You also can use in your living room, right?
Dining rooms.
Yeah, in some dining room, and also it can be used. You also can fix on the ceiling. Use the surface mounting way.
Yes.
Yeah. So here is the 2 options for your client to install this lamp. I think this is very great, right?
Yes.
So you have 2 options to install it with this good lamp. I think no matter from which application, you also it's very easy to use. It's also a good choice, right?
Yes. And you only need to buy some like spare part for the lamp holder and the canopy, and you will get 2 different kind of light, ceiling light and panel light.
Yeah. So this is very great product, I think. And this sentence, this word I have said too many times, because this product is very, very great. So do not hesitate to buy it out, because this product is very great and it's very hot sell product in our Alibaba store. And also in the September month, we will have as you can see here, we have a promotion activity.
Yes.
Yeah. If you place order during the September, we can get you if you buy your total value can reach up to your order value can reach up to 3,000 USD, and we can provide you the 3% discount, right?
Wow.
So this is very strong promotion activity, right?
Yes,
it's
it is
very
true.
great. And also, if you place order above the 10,000 USD, you can get the 8% discount. Yeah. So it's also very great promotion. I think it is very strong because we have our Hawaii lighting can have a 35 years, have get a long way. We need to provide a good value, good product for our client. So we have this promotion activity for you. If you want to buy this product or you want to know more about our product range, right? You can contact us, right?
Yes, a final tips that this discount is not only for this light, and also can be used in other light like pendant lights or commercial light. All items we selling on Alibaba, which you will get a special discount at this month.
Yeah. So if you have any demand on lighting, you can leave your comment on our Alibaba store here, and we will have our staff will follow you. And we will tell you what we have and what you can get from us, and also from this promotion activity. Yeah. So do not hesitate to contact us. So this is all about our today.
Yes.
And so we hope you have a nice day, right? So if you really like our product, do not forget to follow our channel.
Us.
Yeah. Do not forget our channel in the future. In the next week, we also had another live show to show you the different product. Yeah.
Yes.
So do not hesitate to follow us, be our friends. You can get more information on our product.
Yes.
Okay.
So I think that's all for today's show, right?
Yeah. So this is the goodbye time. Maybe it's very short time here, but it is the time up here.
Yes.
So see you next time.
Hope you guys enjoy for our live show.
Yeah. Hope you guys have a nice day as well. Goodbye.
Bye.
See you next time.